For as long as I've been having my friends over and entertaining, I've always had cheese platters. I always have one at every event. And on that platter is always a wheel of Brie. But after a while I thought, I gotta come up with a creative way to kind of jazz up my Brie rather than just a cold wheel of Brie with some crackers. So this is a recipe that I found that I absolutely love and everybody goes nuts for. How could you not? If you like sweet and salty, this is like the best of all those worlds come together in one. It's Brie with warm, oozing maple syrup and brown sugar all over the top with crunchy, salty candied pecans on top of that. And the cheese is warm and melting and you've got apples and pears and baguette. It's just like an explosion of all things good happening together on one tray. You've gotta try it. The first thing you want to do is make your syrup sauce, and it really couldn't be easier. All you do is take a saucepan, it's equal parts maple syrup and brown sugar, stir it together, let it come up to a slight boil, and then turn the heat down and let it just sit and hang out while you prepare everything else. I like to buy a nice big sourdough baguette, cut it into like 1-inch slices, stick them under the broiler for a minute. Then I slice up my apples. You can use green apples, gala apples, any kind you like, really. And I slice up my yellow pears. Once that's all ready to go, just set that aside and work on the cheese. Put the Brie in the oven at about 350 just for a little while. You want it to get warm and soft and start to kind of ooze out the side a little bit, but just a little bit. If you leave it in too long, it's gonna totally ooze out and turn to soup, and that's not what you're going for. So just watch it when it looks warm and soft and like it's just starting to ooze, take it out. So once your cheese is ready, get a nice platter, put your cheese down, pour the sweet gooey syrup all over the top, and then crumble some crushed candied pecans. Then you're gonna arrange your apples and pears around one side, put your baguette slices down on the other, and then here's what you do. Put it down on a table and stand back and let the feeding frenzy begin. It is so delicious. It's sweet and salty, it's gooey and warm, it's so easy to make, and it just is such a big payoff. Everybody loves it. You've gotta try it.